In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Gmail account on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and actually there are two different ways that we can use to add Gmail account to our iPhone, and the first way is to add it to default Mail app. I don't like this method, but I'm gonna show it now first, and after that we'll take a look at another one. So guys, to use this method we need to head over to the settings first. After that, just scroll down until you find Mail. There we can see accounts. As you can see, I already have Gmail account here. However, if you don't, then you need to tap add account, select Google, and then you need to go through the verification process. On that step you need to enter email or phone here. After that, hit next. On the next step, you will be prompted to enter your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be asked to use this way to confirm your identity. And once it is done, your Gmail account will be added right here to that list. And then to use it on the Mail app, you need to enter it. And then just make sure that the toggle button next to Mail turned on. However, there is another method that I prefer to use, and the method is using Gmail application. I'm going to show you how it works, and first off we need to get this app. To do that, I'm going to use App Store. On the App Store we need to tap right here to go to search. On the search, just enter Gmail. That's how we can easily find that app, and by hitting right here at the button that says get, or in my case update, it says update here because the app is already installed on my device. Let's quickly update it. It may also show you here, instead of the button, it may also show you cloud icon, and to get this up you need just to tap at cloud icon and wait for the download to complete. And once it is done, we need to open up the app by tapping right here. We'll be taken to the Gmail app. As you can see, I've already signed with my Gmail account here. If you don't, it will prompt you to enter your email and password right on that step. However, if you signed with your Gmail account as well, you can easily add another one. If you would like to add another account to Gmail app, then just tap right here at your profile picture, and that's where you can find add another account. I'm going to tap right here, and then in the same way, first off we need to choose Google, then hit continue, and you will be taken to the sign in page where we need to enter our email or phone number here, then hit next, then enter password, then go through two-factor authentication. If it is enabled, maybe they will send you an OTP code that you need to enter to confirm that it's you. And after that, your another Gmail account will be added to the app, and then you can just tap at your profile picture and select manage accounts on this device, and it will show you all the accounts you've signed in. As you can see, currently just one account is active, so it is displayed at manage accounts. And to be able to easily switch between Gmail accounts, you first off need to activate them in that way. After that, hit done. And now if I tap right here, it, as you can see, shows me two different accounts here, and I can easily switch between them right from that menu, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.